It's time for Brit's Beauty Tips. I'm Brittany Hibbs Kelson here in Burlington at Mirror, where we're talking about the hottest new brushes to hit the market. And if you've seen these and you're wondering, how do I use this? Jess is here to give us all the answers. So Jess, what are these brushes and why are they so popular right now?
So these are the Artis brushes, and they're made to give you like the perfect amount of application, use half the amount of product you're used to, and make it easy to give yourself that artist level of quality in your makeup as you are used to. It's amazing, and they just work like magic.
And there's so many different sizes and types of them, so you can really use them for what? I mean, for everything, for concealer, foundation, eyeshadow?
Even skincare, they work for everything. They're special synthetic fiber, so they're made to be used for anything that you want. You basically pick the size that fits the area you're going for and really just glide everything on. It's super gentle.
Okay, and so you have them here at Mirror, but I'm thinking, okay, this thing looks so foreign to me. It just looks like a spoon or something.
Yes.
So if people come in, will you sort of show them, how it's done and give us some tips and tricks?
Absolutely. I myself am doing lessons with these with the purchase of any of the brushes. So you can sit down with me and I'll walk you through it and really demystify it for you.
Okay. Now, when we're doing the foundation, how do you start that? Do you go in circular motions?
You want to start by gliding, and that's a big thing with the company. You glide, you don't grind. So you want to kind of blend it out very gently, and you'll notice when we put this on, you really do float against the skin.
Okay, and how many different brushes are there in a set of these?
They range anywhere from a set of 3 to 5 to 10.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it starts out, even with a 3-piece set, you're noticing that there's something that you can use for the whole face, but it really allows you to be the artist, be kind of the master of your makeup, and that's one thing that I've really found with these. Once you use them once, it really demystifies the whole process for you, and they're so easy to use.
And as a makeup artist, would you say this has totally changed your mind on how you apply makeup?
Oh, absolutely. They're pretty much all I use now. And you just notice the quality of the finish, how much less use of the makeup, so it's really cost effective. And it's the same thing when you're using good equipment, it gives you this perfect finish to your makeup.
Excellent. That's what we like too. Less product for more bang for your buck, I guess you could say.
Exactly.
All right. Well, thanks so much, Jess. That's Brit's Beauty Tip.